Hello, learners. Now that we have gone over the three leaders of the Allied powers in World War II, Winston Churchill, Joseph Stalin, and Franklin D. Roosevelt, it's time for you to show your learning. We're going to start by doing an assignment in Google Classroom. This will lead up to our big assignment for this part of the unit. In your Social Studies Google Classroom, please click the Classwork tab. When we do so, you need to find the assignment called March 3rd, World War II Allied Powers Project. Take some time to pause this video to read the directions. Welcome back. So as you know now, you are going to be using a Google Drawings to create a poster about the three leaders of the Allied powers during World War II. Let's take a look at the rubric before we start. As you can see, each leader has a different part of the rubric. For each leader, you need to state the leader's name, country, political ideology, and how they impacted the war. What was their role in World War II? And the last criteria is creativity. For this, you need to change the background color, you have to have pictures of each leader, and you need to make sure you have proper grammar and writing style. Let's walk through how you are going to do it on Google Drawings. Click the Google Drawings, and when you do so, another tab will appear. I want to walk you through a couple steps before you get started. Right-click, and we're going to change the background. You can make it any color you want. I'm going to hit Gradient. To add text, simply click the Text button. When doing so, you'll be able to draw a text box. I'm going to type Leader 1, Winston Churchill. Now I have my leader's name. To add an image, click the drop-down arrow by Insert Image. You have a couple of options. You can upload from your computer. What I would like you to do is search the web. Click Search the Web, and you'll be able to search for images on Google. I'm going to type in Winston Churchill. And as you can see, a bunch of pictures come up. I'm going to click, and I'm going to hit Insert. And now my picture has appeared. Now the task is yours, learners. You are to create your poster following the rubric. When you have finished, turn in your assignment. I will know you are done and that it is ready to be graded. Happy learning, and if you have a question, please post it in the comment section of the assignment. I can't wait to see what you come up with.